Yeah, I think it's a bigger decision than just changing your business model. It has consequences on your supply chain, it's consequences on your products and product development, and it has consequences for your relation to your customers. So the first two, products, supply chain, you will need to redesign your supply chain setup. You need to redesign the way you develop products to enable the third one, which is the business model. And if you have a buy and sell model, normally you don't have a relation with your customers because when they pay, they leave. With this new business model, you're actually building a long-term relationship with your customer, which is benefiting every retail because then you can communicate with them in a totally different way than you've done before. You have an ongoing dialogue about the products they use and if they use them, when they use them, if they want to hand it back, what type of new products they want. So I think the investment lies in the back end in the supply chain product. The benefits comes in the relation to customers.